Hey everyone, it's Dawn. I am adjusting the temperature sensor of this choke. So this is the choke, goes all the way. This is where I was blipping the throttle, is this choke over here. So now it is in the completely closed position. Wait, closed, I think that's what it's called. Oh God, maybe I have it mixed up. But over here, it runs into this box, which looks like it's completely sealed. Well, now it does. But actually, when you turn this, that little nut over there, that's a 7mm, then this thing will lift up. This whole section in here actually lifts up, like you saw me push down earlier. And then that little round dial with the notches on it, each notch is supposed to correlate to about 10 degrees in temperature. It was set in the middle, around in the middle before, and that should have been around 70 degrees. So now it's set, I don't know to what, but basically I turned this knob. It was easy to just turn by hand until this was in the closed position. Right now it's about 60 degrees out and it is dead cold. So the temperature sensor in there should be in the ambient temperature. It should know that right now this is dead cold and it should be in this position. All right, so let's see. Oh, that's right. I have to turn on the truck. Hold on. Now the truck is on because generator won't turn on without sufficient amperage. And I have a 1 car battery in the coach. I need to fix that, but until I do, this is what we need to do. Oh my gosh, it started and I think I let off the start too quick. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's first time it starts on its own. You guys, this is the first time he has ever started up on his own without me having to blip the throttle and then continue to run the whole time until I stopped him. Now, there was a few surges. Is that just because he's cold? I mean, you know, probably, right? So maybe that's normal, but I do know another problem. There is this screw, that screw right there. I was watching another video when I was trying to figure out how to troubleshoot. They said that that was like some kind of idle screw, and to mess with that and it could fix your problem. Well, someone else now told me that that actually changes a ton of stuff, and that the generator needs to be running at 60 RPMs. And there's all sorts of stuff, and bottom line is I may have messed things up, the timing and all that stuff, by messing with that screw, and I only did that because that YouTube video told me to. That's a problem with YouTube videos, right? So anyways, I mean, that guy didn't know what that screw was, and then he just said, oh, but I fiddled with it, and then it worked for me. So then I was like, okay, I'll fiddle with mine too. So I need then to I need something. I think it's a Greenleaf CMB or CBM 900 can test the RPMs, and I need to set my RPMs back to 60 RPMs, and I need to look more into that whole thing, but that might be the timing and all that, and that might be something that's going on with this running a little funky. If that is funky, I've never had a generator like this. I don't even know what is normal, what is not, but at least it's running now. So super happy about one little win, and we still have more work to do, but it's getting there. It's actually getting there. Thank you so much for joining me and sharing with my success after all this time, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.